That this is what Ruby likes to do, is rearrange the blankets. Watch. She is saying, I don't want this blanket in here. Get this out of here. Ruby, what are you doing? Oh, she is just Rubykin, what are you doing? Squeak's like, this is a pretty cool blanket, but no, not Ruby. She wants it out of there. Oh, Sweezy, hi Rubes. Hi Squeaky. Hi Ruby. Let's do that again. Get that in there. Ruby. Oops. Let's put the blankets, all the blankets back in there. Look at, she does not want those in there. Get those blankets back in there. Oh. What are you doing? Hi, Rubes. Oops. Letterbox. You on the wheel? How about Squeaky? Squeaky, you love the wheel. Let's see. You run the wheel? What do you want the camera?